Hey, what's going on? It's The Revolution. To the Writer's Circle. This is the only page where you're going to get good advice on how to write a story, how to tell a story, how to release your book. Please like and subscribe to my page. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about really something as simple as, I don't even know what to call it, but writing your best story. Learning how to write your best story. Learning how to connect those words and convey what you want to say for your reader, or for to create a picture in the reader's mind. So what I had to learn, when I would write, and there were certain things I would want to write, I would ask myself, how do I write this scene, or how do I get this across where somebody will understand it? And after asking myself that question many, many times, I found a way to make particular things happen in my storytelling simply by thinking it through, thinking it out. And so my point I want to make to you, you got to go to your deeper self, find, because they're just words. Find the right words that can convey to your reader about writing a particular thing that you want to happen. And that's actually a lot of places that a lot of writers don't get past when they're writing a story. They gonna go the easiest route and tell it to, or because they don't know how to write this particular thing and make it come across the way that they want to come across. They just avoid it altogether and they go another route with it. But I say to you, learn how to put, because it's just words. Just learn how to put those words together to write whatever particular scene, that you, because that one scene that you're trying to write, in most cases, are going to be very, very monumental to your story. And that's why you need to write that difficult thing. You just have to find the right way and the right words to say it. I'm not able to tell you how to write that because obviously I don't know what you're writing, but I'm gonna say as a writer that I encounter that even now today when I'm writing a story, and then there's a particular part that I'm like, wow, how am I gonna? So my advice to you is to figure it out. Figure it out, but don't avoid it. And the reason why I say don't avoid it is because it's gonna make you a better writer. Learning how to write those most difficult things. You can do it, I promise. Like and subscribe to my page. I'm The Revolution. Press the notification button. I'm gonna be giving you a lot of great advice from a writer's standpoint. Join my Facebook page, Black Books for Us, on Facebook.